Good evening again. My name is Bill Morris. I'm with the Texas Family Law Foundation. We support 1807. We oppose 2157 and 3414. I'm going to concentrate tonight on 2157 and the technical problems I see within the bill. The first of which is the standard possession order presumes it's in the best interest of the children. This bill mandates equal possession. There's an additional conflict in the bill. In one section, it says that the court will impose the equal parenting time unless it finds it's not in the best interest. In another section, it says give the equal parenting time if it finds that it is in the best interest. That switches the burden between two people. In one of them, the party opposing has the burden. In the other one, the party in favor of it has the burden. So there's a conflict in that within the statute. When you make something mandatory, a shall statute, you take away a lot of discretion from the judges. Now, some people would say that's a good thing. Everybody has the right to agree to anything they want in these, unless it's harmful to the child. If they agree on 50-50, that's fine. Under the standard possession order, the presumption goes away when there's evidence entered that it might not be in the best interest of the child. It doesn't have to be much evidence, and then it goes away. It's an equal playing field. The judge can order equal if they find that's in the best interest of the child. So the burdens of proof are confusing. When you say somebody's schedule cannot exceed one by 5 days, this doesn't take into account holidays, summer, spring breaks, Thanksgiving, and Christmas, because those are different length things each year. So flipping it does not necessarily
Mr. Morris,
work.
we appreciate you. Let me suggest something. Is there any questions for Mr. Morris before I make
a question?
Comment? Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. So what you're saying as far as like the judge can decide and you know, if we went to court, then they're going to, it's one party has the burden, the other party has this burden. But in reality, most divorce cases are handled outside of the court. And so that's where all of the decisions are made. And so if you've got a disparity between incomes of one party versus the other party, then they're going to have to agree to things that they may not have wanted, right? So they might have to agree to the standard possession order because they can't fight it. Because how much would let's say I mentioned the $5,000 to retain an attorney, right? Just to retain one. How much does it cost to go to court? An estimate. To hear a court case in front of a judge, a custody case. How much?
Custody case?
Yeah.
Could be upwards of $50,000.
Exactly.
Okay.
And so you've got people that cannot afford that. And so they get stuck with a really bad standard possession order. And that's not good for the kids, and it's not good for the parent that doesn't get it.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Connie. Let me just suggest something. I mean, Representative Middleton, this is his bill, and you start off with saying there's some technical issues with the bill. I'm sure the representative would like to at least visit with you and talk. I'd suggest to see if there's, you know, maybe some clarification that can take place. But any other questions? Thank you, sir.
All right. Thank you.